The Sharge Icemag 2 is the world's first Qi2 power bank with active cooling, and it not only looks epic, but it gets the job done. So hit subscribe now and we'll check out what this thing can do. So full disclosure before we get started though, the video is sponsored by Sharge and they've sent me the Icemag 2 to showcase to you guys. So from the minute you pick up the Icemag 2, you can see that it's certainly a charger with a difference, and I like it. We've got magnets to hold it onto the phone, we've got a cool transparent design with some RGB lighting, and we've even got a kickstand that's strong enough to pick up the phone. Now in terms of power and capacity, the Icemag 2 packs a 10,000 mAh battery with a 30 watt max output, and of course it supports certified Qi2 wireless charging. Now the main selling point in design is around the Qi2 charging, which delivers 15 watt wireless charging, and the point here is that you just pick it up, you slap it onto the back of your phone and you're good to go. Now this means you don't have to worry about having any messy wires, and to be fair, the magnet is so strong and it's very secure. Thanks to the new Qi2 charging, we can also charge an iPhone 16 to 30% in just 27 minutes, and if you charge it via the USB-C cable, you can charge the iPhone 16 Pro Max to 50% in just 25 minutes. Now if I attach this to my iPhone 16 Pro Max, you can see it automatically turns on. The design has this built-in handle, which is a kickstand. This also works well thanks to the strong magnets, and as you can see, I can just pick the charger and the iPhone up with ease. Now here I also have the S24 Ultra in a protective case, and again, it's no problem to slap the Icemag 2 on the back of the phone and pick everything up. Now this kickstand means that when you're charging your phone, you can also enjoy media much more easily, and it works well in both landscape and portrait orientations. When you magnetically attach it to a smartphone, the Icemag 2 turns on automatically, the RGB lights come on and you can hear the fan power up. Now the RGB lights go slowly through all of the different colors, and it does look really cool, and it's also got this half and half effect, so it's not just the same color all the way around, and I have to say I like this touch. Now we've also got this USB-C port on the front of the Icemag 2, and this allows you to charge with a cable to 30 watts of max power output. And for those of you concerned with the technical charging details, here they are on screen now. The active cooling system helps tackle the heat dissipation at higher power outputs, and their active cooling 2 is upgraded with optimized airflow, increased fan speed, and an additional aluminium backplate. And best of all, it's also fairly quiet, so we'll just listen to the audio sample now. It also features an attentive low current mode that's great for your smaller electronics like your smartwatches or your AirPods, and thankfully it's all automatic, so you can just connect to your device and it begins charging them safely. Now of course you can also be rest assured that all of your electronics are safe with its 24/7 all-round protection, and this protects against the usual stuff like voltage anomalies, temperature anomalies, as well as short circuit, overcharge or discharge, and basically any problems that can occur with modern electronics. But all in all, it's just an incredible portable charger that you can attach to anything with ease. Now when it comes to the unboxing, it's also nice and simple, and if we open up the box, first you get the Icemag 2, then underneath that we've got the instruction manual, then in this box here we've got a USB Type-C cable. Now I have to say, I really like this charger. It's compact, it's useful, and it looks great while it's charging, and it's always refreshing when I get to see something a little bit different. If you're in the market for a new power bank and you want something cool and versatile, then I highly recommend you check it out. And of course, I've placed the links down in the description below, so you can go ahead and check out the Icemag 2 as well as all of their other accessories. And I hope I've covered everything in today's video for you guys, but if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, stay up to date with the latest tech.